Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 best drones for 2026. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or professional, I'll break down each drone, its features, pros and cons, and help you figure out which one suits you best. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. GPS drone with EIS 2K camera. 2K camera with EIS stabilization for smooth videos. 7.22-inch screen on the remote controller. 64 minutes total flight time. Long-range transmission and 3 adjustable speeds. Features Follow Me, AI Track, AI Night Shot, and Auto Return. Lightweight and foldable, under 249 grams. This drone is perfect for beginners. The built-in screen on the controller makes FPV flying much easier, and AI features like Follow Me and AI Night Shot are surprisingly responsive. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to carry for outdoor adventures. Pros: lightweight and foldable, long flight time, user-friendly AI features. Cons: the 2K camera is good but not 4K. May struggle in strong wind due to lightweight design. Great choice for beginners or casual flyers who want a compact drone with smart features. Number 2. GPS drone with 4K camera and 90-minute flight time. 4K camera for crisp video. 5-inch LCD tablet on the remote controller. 90 minutes flight time. GPS follow, circle fly, auto return. Brushless motor, lightweight and foldable. This drone is a serious upgrade for beginners who want a longer flight experience. The 4K camera captures stunning aerial footage, and the GPS features make flying safer and more precise. Brushless motors reduce noise and extend lifespan. Pros: ultra-long 90-minute flight. High-quality 4K camera. GPS and auto return for safer flights. Cons: slightly heavier than toy drones. May require some learning curve for beginners. Ideal for beginners or enthusiasts who value flight time and video quality. Number 3. Holystone HS720E drone with 4K camera. 4K 30ps video with 130-degree FOV EIS camera. 46 minutes flight with 2 batteries. 5 GHz FPV transmission. Brushless motor and GPS. Auto return, Follow Me. Holystone has a strong reputation for beginner-friendly drones. The HS720E delivers stable video, impressive flight duration with dual batteries, and responsive controls. Integrated remote ID ensures compliance with regulations. Pros: 2 batteries for extended flight. Brushless motors and GPS stability. 4K camera with wide-angle view. Cons: slightly pricier than other entry-level drones. FPV range limited compared to high-end models. A solid mid-range drone for beginners looking for long flight times and high-quality video. Number 4. GPS drone with 4K UHD camera for beginners. 4K UHD camera. Long range 1,640 feet. 3-axis gimbal for stable footage. Auto return home, Follow Me. App and remote control for outdoor photography. This drone balances ease of use and advanced features. The gimbal ensures smooth footage even in moderate wind. Long-range transmission is ideal for outdoor photography, and the smartphone app gives full control of settings and flight paths. Pros: 3-axis gimbal for stability. Long-range transmission, beginner-friendly app controls. Cons: slightly bulkier than foldable drones, requires careful setup to maximize gimbal use. Perfect for beginners interested in photography and video creation with stable, professional-looking results. Number 5. DJI Air 3, DJI RC-N2. Dual primary cameras, medium tele and wide angle. 46 minutes max flight time. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing. 48 megapixel photos, and 4K 60 FPS HDR video. FAA Remote ID compliant. The DJI Air 3 is a professional-grade drone for serious enthusiasts and creators. The dual cameras give versatility in shooting, and obstacle sensing makes flying much safer. Flight time and image quality are top-notch, making this a premium choice. Pros: dual cameras for versatile shooting, advanced safety features, professional quality video and photography. Cons: slightly more expensive than entry-level drones, slightly heavier and larger. Best for advanced users or content creators who want premium video quality and professional features. That's our list of the top 5 drones for 2026. If you're a beginner on a budget, the first 2 drones are perfect. For longer flights and higher quality video, the Holystone HS720E or the 4K UHD drone are great. And if you want professional-grade footage, the DJI Air 3 is unmatched. Check the links in the description to grab the one that fits your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews.